What do consumer organizations help consumers do in the marketplace? A. Control manufacturing processes. B. Negotiate trade agreements. C. Make better choices. D. Set safety standards. The correct answer is C. Make better choices. What year saw the introduction of a new law for local body institutions? A. 1994. Born in 1991. Circa 2000. D. 1997. The correct answer is A. 1994. How does media contribute to democratic values? A. By enlightening and empowering the people. B. By creating political divide. C. By restricting information flow. D. By weakening public trust. The correct answer is A. By enlightening and empowering the people. Besides direct democracy, what other popular form of government is mentioned? A. Oligarchy. B. Theocracy. C. Monarchy. D. Representative democracy. The correct answer is D. Representative democracy. How old must a person be to be eligible for the post of governor? A. 25 years. B. 35 years. C. 30 years. D. 40 years. The correct answer is B. 35 years. Where was the Universal Declaration of Human Rights proclaimed? A. New York. B. London. C. Geneva. D. Paris. The correct answer is D. Paris. How is an internal emergency declared? A. On the ground of external aggression. B. On the ground of state dissolution. C. On the ground of financial instability. D. On the ground of armed rebellion. The correct answer is D. On the ground of armed rebellion. What are women less likely than men to have access to? A. Higher education. B. Public transportation. C. Employment in the service sector. D. Financial institutions or a bank account. The correct answer is D. Financial institutions or a bank account. Which level of local body is mentioned as municipality? A. Panchayat. B. Village. C. District. D. Town. The correct answer is D. Town. Who approves the rules made by the Supreme Court for regulating its practice and procedure? A. The Chief Justice of India. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Attorney General. D. The President. The correct answer is D. The President. Where is the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, deployed for border guarding duties? A. From Gujarat to Rajasthan. B. From West Bengal to Assam. C. From Punjab to Jammu and Kashmir. D. From Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is D. From Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. What does the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO, Act 2012 regard as being of paramount importance? A. The best interest of the child. B. The best interest of the state. C. The best interest of the parents. D. The best interest of the community. The correct answer is A. The best interest of the child. What is one of the functions of media in society? A. To create socio-political instability. B. To promote injustice. C. To bring empowerment to the masses. D. To hide information from the public. The correct answer is C. To bring empowerment to the masses. Who was the first king of ancient Persia mentioned in the text? A. Xerxes I. B. Darius the Great. C. Cyrus the Great. D. Artaxerxes I. The correct answer is C. Cyrus the Great. What is the process of buying called? A. Procurement. B. Pluralism. C. Benefice. D. Pandemics. The correct answer is A. Procurement. What is the reason given for not using a mobile phone while driving? A. To save battery. B. To improve signal strength. C. To avoid distraction that lead to accidents. D. To comply with network regulations. The correct answer is C. To avoid distraction that lead to accidents. Which of the following actions is a high court permitted to take under its supervisory jurisdiction? A. Call for returns from lower courts. B. Negotiate peace treaties. C. Demand the impeachment of public officials. D. Enforce international law directly. The correct answer is A. Call for returns from lower courts. From which courts can the Supreme Court of India move cases to itself? A. Only high courts. B. Any courts. C. Only courts within the same state. D. Only lower courts. The correct answer is B. Any courts. Diversity in which feature also impacts flora? A. Landforms. B. Cultural practices. C. Climate. D. Economic activities. The correct answer is A. Landforms. What did Veena say about what they saw that day? A. They were dangerous animals. B. They were rare animals. C. They were natural national symbols. D. They were wild animals. The correct answer is C. They were natural national symbols. Which house represents the people of the state? A. Legislative Council. B. High Court. C. Legislative Assembly. D. Cabinet Ministers. The correct answer is C. Legislative Assembly. Which topic is a learning objective concerning the Indian Constitution? A. Mathematical theorems. B. Climate change impacts. C. World history timelines. D. Fundamental rights and duties. The correct answer is D. Fundamental rights and duties. Who is associated with the term apartheid? A. Manekshaw. B. Field Marshal. C. Nelson Mandela. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is C. Nelson Mandela. Which year was Sanskrit declared as a classical language? A. 2008. Born in 2013. Circa 2004. D. 2005. The correct answer is D. 2005. What is listed as a voluntary function in the Tamil Nadu Local Government Act of 1994? A. Cleaning of streets. B. Maintenance of drainage. C. Maintenance of burial grounds. D. Maintenance of common lavatory facilities. The correct answer is D. Maintenance of common lavatory facilities. Which language has emerged as an important language and medium of instruction in Indian schools and colleges? A. Tamil. B. Hindi. C. Bengali. D. English. The correct answer is D. English. What characteristic defines human rights regarding their ability to be taken away? A. They are conditional and can be taken away. B. They are declared by individual governments. C. They are absolute and cannot be taken away. D. They are subject to national laws. The correct answer is C. They are absolute and cannot be taken away. How is the representative government in a democratic system formed? A. By appointment. B. Elected by the people. C. By heredity. D. By lottery. The correct answer is B. Elected by the people. What action are students instructed to take regarding geographical features on a world map? A. Label them. B. Draw them accurately. C. Ignore them. D. Color them based on elevation. The correct answer is A. Label them. What instruction is typically given when traffic signals are switched off at night? A. Stop and wait for green light. B. Proceed with caution. C. Accelerate quickly. D. Turn off headlights. The correct answer is B. Proceed with caution. How did you score?